Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pinger, free texting and calling app, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pinger is a free texting and calling app that provides users with a real US phone number to send unlimited texts and make calls over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Designed for users who need an alternative number for personal use, online registrations, or casual communication, Pinger helps reduce reliance on traditional carriers. The app allows you to send SMS, receive verification codes from many platforms, and place calls without needing a phone plan, making it accessible to users on limited budgets or Wi-Fi-only devices. The app's main features include free texting within the US, low-cost international calling, voicemail, call forwarding, and customizable caller ID. It also saves conversation history and supports multimedia messaging depending on the region. Since everything works over the internet, users can continue calling or texting even when there is no network signal. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple setup process, free texting capabilities, and the convenience of having a separate number for privacy. It is especially useful for online listings, dating apps, or secondary communication needs. The call quality over Wi-Fi is generally stable, and the app's interface is easy for beginners. However, there are some drawbacks. Free calling minutes are limited unless you watch ads or purchase credits. Some services do not accept Pinger numbers for OTP verification. Users also report occasional delays in message delivery, ad interruptions, and inconsistencies in call quality during peak times. Since it relies entirely on internet access, performance may vary in weak signal environments. In summary, the Pinger app may be worth using if you want a free secondary phone number for texting, casual calling, privacy, or Wi-Fi-based communication. However, if you need reliable calling, consistent OTP support, or premium-level performance, it might not be the best standalone solution for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.